Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off auto game updates on PS5 console. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First you go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Under settings, go to saved data and game or app settings. Go to automatic updates. Here we can see two options, auto download and auto install in rest mode. We have to disable these two options. First let me disable auto download. Done. Then disable auto install in rest mode. Done. So this way we can turn off auto game updates on PS5. Let me go back. Go to system. Under system, select power saving. Go to features available in rest mode. Here we can see an option, stay connected to the internet in rest mode. We can disable this option. Disable it. So after this, PS5 will not be able to use internet in rest mode. So this way we can prevent PS5 from downloading update files in rest mode. Okay, so these are the settings. So this way we can block or stop auto game updates on PS5 console. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.